What is happening, everyone? Got another hard reset for you. Today we are going to do a Motorola Moto G 5G 2024. So if you have one of these and it has a pattern and a password and you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, we'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on there, it's gonna get deleted. Just, bear that in mind. And if you haven't yet, subscribe, like, share, comment, all that great stuff. We'd appreciate all the support. But otherwise, let's get into this one. So we don't know the pattern, and we got to turn the phone off first, and we want to do that by holding volume up and power. You have your volume up, volume down, and power button right there. So we'll hold volume up and power at the same time. And hit the power, and it's not letting us turn off the phone because it has a pattern. So what we have to do is we actually have to hold the volume up, volume down, and power button all at the same time. So I'll do that now. And what I like to do is I like to hold all the buttons, and then I'll still tap the screen a little bit just to make sure when I actually see it turn off. Because as soon as it turns off, you want to let go of volume up by keep holding the volume down and the power button at the same time. So then it gets us to our to our bootloader screen, and we want to use the volume buttons to scroll, power button to select, and we'll scroll to recovery mode, hit the power button. And this should load us to the no command screen. And yep, there it is. And then what we want to do to get out of this is we want to hold power and tap volume up and let go of it relatively quickly. All right, there we go. In this point, you want to use your volume buttons to scroll, your power button to select, and we want to scroll to wipe data factory reset. Just passed it. Hit the power button to confirm, and confirm again. Now it's deleting. Now it's done. And you can either power off the phone or reboot it, and I'm just going to power it off in this case, but if you reboot it, it'll just reboot to the welcome screen, and then you can navigate the phone back to the home screen and set it up how you wish. But that is how you do a hard reset on a Motorola Moto G 5G 2024. Otherwise, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.